In this video, we would like to give you a general overview of the EMAM SuperAdmin interface. The SuperAdmin is used by super administrators to set up and configure the EMAM system units, unit admins and users, storage, ingest, delivery, archive, and workflow settings. Super administrators will only see the first tab called Server Management. Under this section, super administrators can configure the location of each EMAM service running on one or more servers. These services manage certain functions in the EMAM system and can be located in one or more servers. Super administrators can check the version, expiration date, and the status of each service. Clicking on the Unit Management tab, super administrators and unit administrators can configure the unit settings, including the unit name, site name, logo placed on the director user interface, and which user receives emails regarding orders, help requests, and which ID will be added to each EMAM system-generated email. Next, super administrators and unit administrators will select the server they want this unit to be bound to. This option allows the super administrator to dedicate one or more servers to a specific business unit depending on the physical location of the office and the workflow. Feature settings are used to enable and disable different features within the given unit. These features are related to supported asset type formats, ingest profiles, delivery methods, interface options, asset operations, reports, and more. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, is a set of communication guidelines that allows software to transmit email over the Internet. Most email software is designed to use SMTP for communication purposes when sending the email. It only works for outgoing messages. Using SMTP settings, values such as host, username, password, port, and sender address can be set. If no settings are specified, system settings are used. The super administrator can also include display name set from address to match the sender's address and enable SSL. Once SMTP settings are specified, Submit will enable the settings. In the User Management tab, super administrators can create and manage new users using the User Management option in the SuperAdmin console. The super administrator can create EMAM accounts for the new users by entering in the general and personal information such as name, contact details, unit role, etc. The super administrator can set the password options and associate ingested profile for the new user. There are two types of users, unit admin and user. Unit admin can see everything associated with one or more units and configure each unit that they are assigned to. Users cannot see the SuperAdmin user interface, only the director interface. Users only see and do what the unit admin assigns to them. Next is the storage configuration. Storage configuration options enables the super administrator to configure online folders, manage S3 configuration, and more. In the storage configuration, the folder name, original location, low resolution folder path, low resolution virtual path, status, and storage locations are displayed. The super administrator can edit or delete any of the folders. The super administrator can also create new folders and provide necessary information, including the name, path, login details, threshold details, and servers. The Task Manager is a server component in EMAM. It is responsible for operations like purge, auto-archive, and auto-purge, so it should be associated with a storage profile. Next is the Ingest Profile tab. The super administrator can define profile names, ingest details, and other project details. he or she can also select the transcoder to be used, enable or disable web upload for the given ingest profile, restrict duplication of files, and enable automatic archive of the ingest assets immediately. Next is the Delivery Profile tab. It is used for delivery profile management, such as creating or editing the delivery profiles. The super administrator can choose the profile name, set preset IDs for audios and videos, select delivery type as network, FTP, or SAN, specify delivery type, and select the delivery server. The super administrator can also configure settings for notifications and downloads. Next is the Archive tab. EMAM Archive Manager will archive the assets in any disk-based archive. This solution can also be used with technologies such as Zendata, QStar, Crossroads Strongbox, and OneBeyond EasyStore, which show the entire LTL library as a large disk cache to EMAM. EMAM Archive Manager is using S3 technology to integrate with SpectraLogic's Black Pearl that shows the LTL library as an object storage. Next is the Dashboard tab. The live dashboard displays the total number of users and logged in users for the selected unit. It also has options to monitor ingest, delivery, archive, and cloud processes. In the Site Analytics tab, super administrators can monitor the usage of an application features by different users for the specified time period using Site Analytics. Super administrators can select a profile and month from the drop-down menu and click View. You can see the total visitors to the site and Features Overview, which will display how many times each feature has been used. In the Workflow tab, super administrators can create workflows to automate events and actions. Workflow automation is a set of actions performed on satisfying a set of conditions provided for an event. Each workflow has two parts: events and actions. Event is a point to start the workflow. Under each event, administrators can set one or more conditions so that one of these conditions are met, actions can be performed. Various actions include delivery, archive, change metadata, and notify. You can create multiple workflows with different operations and customize it. For more information about EMAM and other products and services, please visit our website at www.impressmam.com.